Hey guys, hope you had a great holiday. If you're anything like me, after January 1st, all that holiday stuff is gone. But if you have ribbon around still, just hanging out, then I got 5 hairstyles for you. And if you're thinking that you can only wear ribbon around the holidays, you are wrong, okay? Ribbon is an all year round accessory, I promise. First and foremost, I'm going to show you how I get my flipped out hairstyle. This is what my hair looks like, unwashed and, unstyled. Slept on it. There you go. I use the T3 Twirl Trio Convertible Curling Iron. It's a long one. But it's cool because it has 3 different types of barrels and they're interchangeable. And the one I'm using is the 1.25 inch barrel, just the medium sized one. Okay, start by sectioning off my hair and I'm getting those layers ready for flipping out. So I feel like this is pretty straightforward, but I'll try and explain it anyways. I take my curling wand and I go as close to the scalp as possible and I drag it all the way down, just kind of straightening that hair. But at the very end, I will clamp it down and hold it there for a little bit longer and flip it out, just so the ends will take the shape of the barrel and you'll have a little flip. Okay, so my whole head is done. It's all flipped out. Feeling pretty nostalgic. I used to wear my hair like this in elementary school, but now it's ready for further styling, aka this ribbon. Hello. First hairstyle is this half updo that's giving me total cheerleader vibes. I was never a cheerleader, but this is what I picture them looking like. I'm sectioning off the top portion of my head, going from eye to eye, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to tease it. Gonna secure it with an elastic. It's not going anywhere now. You're stuck with me. And there's the ribbon. Beautiful red ribbon. You're gonna tie 1 knot, and then we're gonna go and make a little bow. I don't know how you guys do it. I'm not gonna go into it. I haven't even taught my kids how to tie a knot yet, or tie their shoelaces, so I'm not gonna start now. Hairstyle number 2. I'm gonna call this one 2 braids and a bow. Very inventive. Gonna start with the middle part, and I'm trying to make this as straight as possible, but I don't think I do a very good job. I'm sure you guys can do a better job than I can. Okay, now we're just creating little Dutch braids, going halfway back. If you know how to do a Dutch braid, then you're set. If you don't, I do have a video where I explain it. I can link it below. Okay, now we're doing the exact same thing on the other side. The exact same thing. So just do it on the other side. I'm going to connect these 2 braids together in the back, but for now I'm just securing them separately so they don't fall apart on me. At this point, I'm just pulling apart the braid a little bit so it becomes more voluminous. This is the part where we can sing, "When two become one." Ooh, yeah. I love the Spice Girls. So good. Oh yeah, this is me half-assing a ribbon. Trying to put it on. Tying it around, I'm doing this blind, so kudos to me. Thank you. Turned out all right after a couple, accidents and mishaps and whatnot. Hairstyle number 3, and I call this one, "Where's that damn time machine? Because you're from the 50s. I feel like this is pretty straightforward. I could literally just, show you and not say anything, but I'm here now, so we're gonna do this. I parted it in the middle, and then I actually didn't have enough ribbon to do a nice bow, so I did something weird and I grabbed another piece of a short ribbon and I made a big bow. And you could totally just, bypass all these steps and just create a ribbon that's long enough the first time and then tie it up nice and big. 4th hairstyle, and I call this one the half updo flipperoo. For this one, we're going ear to ear, grabbing all that hair and tying it up with an elastic. I used a black elastic because it was the closest to me. All right, now here I am creating another bow blind. Doing a half decent job, I think. I don't do that great of hiding the elastic. Again, you will probably be better at me than this, but I'm trying. So this is where the flippity do part comes in. You flip it through, and here we are. I pull it apart just so it's a little bit more voluminous and effortless. And then you gotta fix that bow. Find a mirror, okay? Fix it. I found one, and I'm happy to say that I did fix it. Pulling some hairs out, because it's cute. And that's that. Smile. Hairstyle number 5, and I call this one braid ribbon headband. Starting by sectioning off the portion that I want to create my headband. I quoted just now, but you couldn't see me quote. You know, I put my 2 fingers up and I quoted myself. But anyways, I thought that was funny. And then I tied the rest back because it's just easier. You don't want to grab more or less hair than you need to, you know. And this is where I get a little crafty. Got my bobby pin, I got my ribbon, and I put my ribbon through my bobby pin, and then I make a knot, so that's going nowhere. You know, I thought of this on the fly. Really proud of myself. I'm gonna call this one the bobby ribbon. Patent pending. I take that and I clip it to the side back of my head-ish. And then I'm going to just use that as like part of my hair, and I'm going to create a Dutch braid going all along from ear to ear, creating a headband, and the ribbon now becomes one with my hair. So I don't have a name for that. Secure the rest in the back, and then I let all my hair down, and voila. And then I pull it apart again. I just want it to be a little bit thicker, you know, more volume, all that kind of stuff. So it looks like this. Kind of cool, right? A little different and fun. Okay, and that's that. All 5 hairstyles using some random ribbon you have laying around. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.